Hello, this is Dawn from hzscribe, and I am here with another plan for me for my scripture writing. So this week, as I mentioned in my other videos, I was going to try to decorate in advance and see how that goes. I went through a couple of weeks of that just to compare if I like to write first, then decorate, or decorate, then write first. I do think I'm probably going to end up writing first, but I'm going to see. So I want to give this a try as first. I think today I put out some old stickers, which is Dollar Tree stickers, and I used this before for something, and apparently I had two of them, so I figured I'll just grab some from here so I can kind of get rid of these and use those up and see if I can make anything out of that. So I think I put out this washi, and I believe this is probably a Recollections washi, maybe Dollar Tree, I'm not sure. I had it for a long time, so hopefully this one will stay. I'm just going to put some washi down here. It's nice and narrow. One of those great ones that you like to use in your planners as well, because it is very narrow. And I'm just going to use my stamp block to take that off. And then I have some yellow that I want to use as well. And I think because I think I wanted to use, see how big is that stamp? Oh, to fit in there. I was just trying to see if the stamp was going to fit in my space that I wanted with the washi. I think I am just going to do half a space here. Get a different pattern. Boy, my heat is pumping. I am hot. We've having, for it to be January, we've been having warm weather. And then today it was cool. And it was in the 30s, but it has been in the 60s. And I had the heat off. And I came home, it was cold, so I cut the heat on to heat it up, and now it's warm. It just got warm because it was freezing in here. So now I'm warm. And I'm rarely warm. I'm always freezing in my craft room. But I think I turned it up too high, which I did, because you know when you come in the house and it's freezing, it's like, oh, I gotta cut the heat up really, really high. So again, I'm just alternating some of, just to give a little different design. I think I'm gonna put some pink right here. I don't know how this is gonna turn out, and but again, you can use whatever product you have. Well, it's Dollar Tree, Walmart, Tuesday Morning, Michael's, Joann's, Hobby Lobby, online. Okay. You can, get you some that's get your digital stuff. Whatever you like to do. And again, you don't even have to decorate. Do not feel the pressure to do that. I decorate because I don't think I have the best penmanship. So, but I'm okay with it. I mean, this is who I am. This is the way I write. I'm comfortable in my skin. But I do like pretty things. I am a paper crafter, so I do like to different stuff. So I think I'm going to take, I don't have the banner. Sorry about that noise. I know that some people really don't like that. I apologize. I don't know if I want to get the banner or joy. The yellow is a lot brighter than I anticipated, and it's also more transparent than I anticipated. So if I do that, I don't know how much room I'm going to have. And when I write my scriptures, I write my scriptures based on my reading order, and I'm trying to see like what that scripture is for that day. So I use pretty much the same order But I do kind of sometimes I change up my scripture that I pick, or I'm doing a theme or something for the year. But this year, what I'm doing for my scripture writing, I am just whatever 3 chapters that I'm doing for the day, because typically it's 3 chapters a day to read the Bible in the year. I just pick one of those verses out of that 3 chapters that kind of spoke to me, or I think that's a pivotal point in our faith, or the faith of the people, how the Bible, come together, the patriarchs all the way up to the Jewish nation until our time. So that's kind of how I do that, and I may change that again. I change up how I do that. So, but that's what I'm doing this year. So I'm just looking in my Bible real quick just to kind of see if this is a lengthy verse. And if I put that there, will I have enough room? And I think I can make it work. I just write around it. I figured it out. I will write around it. And let's see. What is on the 16th? I think I have enough space for that one. Let's see. Hopefully I will. Let's see. Yeah, that was short. Well, that's not the one I'm looking at. I'm looking at the wrong verse. I wrote down the wrong number, but I think I'm going to try. Maybe I should try it over here. I'm just going to cover up the 16th. These are a little thicker, these Dollar Tree ones, so I'm going to try to pull it up. Boom. Which I knew I could get it up. That word Thursday's in the way, so I hate to... Maybe I could do it in the middle. And cover up the word and write around the word. Let's try that. That's a weird one, but I think I'm just going to write around it. Get some visual interest. And then maybe we can use... So y'all pray that I have space to write these scriptures in here. Okay. I want one more sticker. Some over here. Well, that's going to... Maybe I'll put it right here. I think I'll pull her back out. So I kind of have my little visual triangle. So I think I'm going to start right here, and then I'm going to go in and try to fill in my scripture. And then I think I'm going to come back. I do have space here. I can put some flowers and some stars or hearts or something. So I do have some more space here for sure, and I can decorate. But I'm going to fill this in, and then I will come right back and kind of show you what the end road looks like, and see. And if I change anything else to the layout. So I will be right back, because I don't want to make you sit here and watch me write scripture. So I just want to come back and show you what the finished product looked like. So I used one of my green Papermate Ink Joys 0.7, and again, those Dollar Tree stickers in the washi, just changed some of the washi and made it more like a step going up on both of those. And then it's star here, that sticker there. This is the Faith Illustrated. And again, the rest of these are from the Dollar Tree, and I had to put a sticker here because I was writing Genesis, but again, in my chronological order, I finished Genesis, and then I went into Job. I kind of messed up there, covered that one up. But it's okay. Again, it's mine. It's not for anybody else. I'm just sharing, so it's not like it's be perfect, but just attractive. But again, this now starts the book of Job, and this is kind of how I did it. So I had to really plan it out how I wanted to write around the stickers, and to do that, but it did work. So I was able to get it done, and I think I might have switched to one of my scriptures. I picked a different one. I had like 2 or 3 that I was going to choose between, and I just narrowed it down. Because what I try to do is write down a couple scriptures whenever I read a couple the 3 chapters, so I can pick, depending on the space, to get it in there. So that is the finished layout. So thank you for watching, liking, and subscribing. And I dare you to love Jesus.